Ang ganda ng mayon. Good morning guys. Good morning Philippines. How are you today? And how are you tomorrow? Enjoy life. Because life is beautiful. And life is so short. Yan, tingnan mo ang mayon. Ang ganda. Ang ganda niya. Talaga. Niya, ang ganda niya, tingnan. Ganda talaga ng mayon. Sobra. Center of attraction in Albay. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye bye.